Hi viewers, how are you? Today our topic is the video of splash color art. You are watching different designs and different ideas. You are watching the tiger face. You are watching now the parrot, different color splash. You are watching head of the woman. You are watching the horse made with the color splash art. You are watching a man head made with the color splash. You are watching two eyes, different colors made with the art of splash color. You are watching a woman face made with the splash color. You are watching a dog face with the splash color art. You are watching another design of the color art, splash color art, and eye. You are watching made with splash color art. You are watching another design of the splash color art. You are watching handprint of the rainbow color splash color art. You are watching a bear face made with the splash color art. You are watching now another design of the splash color art. You are watching another idea of splash color art. You are watching the balloon full of colors. The balloon or you are watching flowers, splash color flowers. You are watching the clouds made with the different colors, splash colors art. You are watching another flower made with the splash colors. You are watching another design, different design. You are watching rainbow color design. You are watching another design of the splash color rainbow multicolors. You are watching another design of the splash colors art. Another idea of the splash color art you are watching now. Beautiful, colorful idea. Another idea, kids splash color. You are watching rainbow splash colors. You are watching another idea of the splash colors. The activity you can made with the kids activity. You are watching another design of the splash color art. Another design of the splash color art.